Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to change address on Temu app in this video. Let's get started. Open Temu on your device first. Tap on U icon at the bottom. Scroll down, then tap on Addresses. Now to change your address, tap on Add a new address icon. Then enter your details and your new address details. Once you're done, simply tap on Save icon at the bottom. And that is how to change address on Temu. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.